Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change the screensaver on an iPhone. First, go to the Settings app. Here, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Scroll down until you find the Always On Display option. Then, proceed to enable it. Additionally, you can choose to activate Show Wallpaper or Show Notifications if desired. But this feature is available only in iPhone 14 Pro or newer models. If you have an older iPhone, you won't be able to access this feature unless Apple introduces it in future updates. If the issue persists, head to Settings and find Software Update, then update your iPhone to the latest version. This will fix the problem, and you can easily change the screensaver on an iPhone. But if the feature doesn't seem to work, ensure that Do Not Disturb mode is turned off. Enabling Do Not Disturb can prevent the wallpaper and time from displaying on the Always On display. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.